Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 cannot communicate with the device or resource primary DNS server. For that, first click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now on left side, click on Network and Internet option, and now on right side, click Advanced Network Settings, and again in bottom click More Network Adapter option. Now select your connected network and disable it. Now again click on your network and again give enable the network. Now second method is click on search button and type CMD and you run as administrator. Now just type NET space INT space IP space reset and hit enter button, and now type NET space winsock space reset and hit enter button. Now just type IP config space / release and again hit enter button. Now just type IP config space / renew and hit enter button, and now just type IP config space / flush DNS and hit enter button, and type exit and hit enter button, and now just click on the start icon and give reset. Now after trying these methods, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.